Hey, Luxury Home Show. I'm your host, Global Lux, and today we're coming to you from Newport Beach, California. This is 1524 Dolphin Terrace, and it is the epitome of location, location, location. We are moments away from Balboa Island, Fashion Island, Corona Del Mar Village. We are here, perched in the very coveted neighborhood of Irvine Terrace. This home is designed by Laura Brufy. You have to see it to believe it. Come on in. And check out just behind me, this floor-to-ceiling limestone wall. It just helps you feel that indoor-outdoor concept even more. And come on, this view out of the bar area is like a stunning picture frame of this backyard. Along here, you have a beautiful lap pool you could come and soak, enjoy with your friends. This area just embodies the best of Orange County coastal life. This home features all natural materials like limestone, oak, and hand-applied plaster that's balanced with timeless textures and warm tones. You'll see here a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience is opened up with these beautiful glass doors. Most homes that have an indoor-outdoor concept maybe only show it with doors, but this one also has this open bar from the kitchen, as well as the opening from the primary suite directly out onto the pool. Designed by renowned interior designer Laura Brufy, this single-level residence offers just under 2,800 square feet of curated living space, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, but boy, does it feel massive. Dolphin Terrace is truly the crown jewel of the community, a coveted flat street lined with architecturally significant homes minutes away from everything you'd want access to in Newport Beach. The front of the home immediately sweeps you up into this elevated coastal living that Laura Brufy Interiors is so well known for. First off, you have a little seating area, and I kid you not, from here I can see the ocean. Imagine sitting out here enjoying a martini at the end of the day and enjoying those West Coast sunsets right in front of you. Just stunning. Come with me over here as we walk along these beautiful tumbled pavers that has this very lived-in, very relaxed look while having very elevated lighter tones all throughout this frontage. One of my favorite parts of this is this reclaimed wood garage door. It just immediately makes you feel that it's so timeless, it's lived in, and it has history to it, even though it was just redone in 2025. Speaking of the color palette, I absolutely love the contrast of the lights and darks throughout the entire home. Come on in. The very first thing you notice about this home is how flooded with natural sunlight it is. It just looks like a breath of California air. But before I show you the spacious open concept over here, I want to show you the first of 3 bedrooms. Just off to the left here is the powder room. You immediately get a sense of the natural materials used throughout the entire home. I love these warm tones, all the textures, all the variation. It just gives it so much personality and life. And now, coming over to the first bedroom, first thing you notice is this west-facing floor-to-ceiling glass windows. I can literally see the Pacific Ocean from this bedroom. This could easily serve as a bedroom, but it could also be a beautiful home office. You also have an attached bathroom and closet. This entry gives you that perfect squeeze and release into this gorgeous, gorgeous living space. Beautiful living room where you can sit and relax, perfect space to be able to have conversation, where it feels cozy but also spacious to have several guests over having a party, maybe having a little cocktail hour before your dinner party. Over here, we have a beautiful fireplace, and of course above it you have plenty of space for a framed television to watch movies with the family or the big game with your friends. And check out just behind me this floor-to-ceiling limestone wall. It just helps you feel that indoor-outdoor concept even more. As you can see, this home was designed to have family and gathering and socializing at the heart of the living experience. Right here in the center is this beautiful, spacious dining area, and it looks right out onto the back patio. It's just so inviting and so family-oriented. Right over here, you're going to see this amazing detailing that really optimizes all of the space in this home. This is a wine fridge, maybe a coffee area, plenty of storage, and you start to see one of my favorite features of this home, which is the usage of beautiful light. You have built-in LED lighting that's just so warm and so elevated. And welcome to the official heart of this home. This chef-inspired kitchen is absolutely stunning and has so much personality. You'll immediately notice that you blend a common kind of color palette with a lot of textures. It's a really brilliant design approach to where it feels still very calm and cohesive, but still has so much interest. You're never going to get sick of looking at this kitchen. This oversized kitchen island really maximizes the grandness of this space, and no inch is lost. Even down here, you'll see this optimized little shelf area, and of course storage underneath the bar stools as well. And just so much storage throughout the kitchen, so it's totally functional. You can store everything you could possibly imagine while keeping a clean, seamless look. The kitchen features decked-in countertops by Cosentino that feel like this beautiful velvety finish on your hands. You'll notice over here you have this beautiful oak throughout, and this is panel-ready built-in Thermador appliances. Huge fridge. Again, if you were hosting, having people over for dinner, you have plenty of space for platters, drawer space, just absolutely beautiful quality. And right beside it, check out this storage. What an absolutely brilliant use of the space. You don't feel like there's this huge pantry here, but you pull on this handle and all of a sudden you have so much space. Moving around here, you're going to see all this floating shelving. It has that built-in LED lighting, so just anything that you decide to put up there, whether it was spices or glassware, it's just going to feel luxurious looking at your everyday uses. This is our Thermador drawer microwave, so just high-tech and kind of elevated feeling. You can just open it right up. It's a nice height for the entire family to use, and also tucked away to just look so clean. And when you're ready to cook up your meal, you have a 48-inch 6-burner plus a flat stovetop here. Absolutely chef quality. You also have a pot filler here. And this beautiful hood range is one of my very favorite parts of this kitchen. This is a Zephyr Monsoon 46-inch hood insert. It just seamlessly flows up with that hand-applied plaster all the way to the ceiling and really brings your eye in a very relaxed way to this gorgeous asymmetrical ceiling above. And you'll notice where the garbage can is. Oh wait, you won't notice because it's also built in. Everything is so intentional to look so clean and just relaxed, tucked away. You have the trash here, of course, you have your dishwasher also built in, and notice soft close on all of these drawers, just maximizing that relaxed, elevated living feel. And just check out this vantage point. Imagine that you were making breakfast or just serving up something for your family for dinner, and you can look out onto this absolutely gorgeous, again, so drenched with sunlight home. Open concept at its finest. One of my very favorite features of this entire home is this open bar area right off of the kitchen. Imagine you were serving up maybe some drinks or some appetizers for a party in this beautiful backyard, and you can just stand here in your kitchen, socialize, be a part of everything, and just feel that breeze coming right into your kitchen. It's absolutely gorgeous. And come on, this view out of the bar area is like a stunning picture frame of this backyard. The cool feature that we have here on the island is another example of all of this built-in, clean kind of appliances. So I just tap right here, and up comes my outlet for any cooking or electricals that I need to do on this countertop. When I'm finished with it, just tap it, and away it goes. And speaking of spilling out onto the beautiful backyard, I can't wait to show it to you in just a minute. But first, let's come down the hallway. All of the windows throughout this home are so thoughtfully curated to be like a stunning fine art picture frame. You'll notice this really intentional use of floor-to-ceiling glass panels that really just spills all that light into the hallway. So rather than feeling like you're walking down kind of a dark area of the home, you have all of these windows to the side and it just floods you with light. Tucked away, but just as aesthetically pleasing, is our laundry room. So connected to the design of the home, you even have those decked-in countertops and backsplash in here. There are so many little details and moments of serenity throughout the home that just optimize the space brilliantly. This home was designed to be effortlessly natural and high-tech smart. Full smart home features integrated with a Control4 automation system give effortless control of entertainment, lighting, and security. Welcome to bedroom number 2. This one is a little bit cozier, being tucked back here into the heart of the home, but plenty of space. I love the striped wallpaper, so much texture and intentionality with all of the design choices here. You have plenty of space for a queen, even a king-size bed over here, plenty of closet space, and then wrapping around all the way to this bathroom. This bathroom does not shy away from the design of the home. You can see all this gorgeous lighting. It just feels so warm. I would love, personally, to get ready in this bathroom. You can see the gorgeous use of those neutral tones, but a little bit different choice in the stone, again bringing so much personality and variety to the experience of this home. This bathroom also has a tub, so if you have kids or you just want to be able to relax at the end of the day, you have both the bath and the shower option in this bathroom. Coming back out to the hallway, I just have to call out the beams and the beautiful symmetry of this hallway. You have that light cascading on from the side, and just walking through here just feels gorgeous. And finally, welcome to the primary suite. I'm telling you, I would spend so much of my time here. It looks out onto the pool. We're going to get to that in just a moment, but check out these ceilings, these beautiful elevated ceilings. Your eye is drawn up to this beautiful oak beam at the very top, and I love this wallpaper choice. Lara Brophy really specializes in all those textures. This is a beautiful washed linen that wraps the entire primary suite. You also have plenty of space over here for a little sitting area, again that looks over the beautiful pool in the outdoors. You could relax with a cup of coffee or read your book at the end of the night. But come with me to the closet. This closet has one of the most stunning amounts of natural light that I've ever seen in a closet. It's this beautiful, long, very spacious closet. You can fully spread out. Two sides, so if you had maybe two of you that wanted your own closet space, as well as this beautiful sitting area, you could easily put a little standing mirror here and have that natural light to do your makeup in the morning. Just really well done. Coming to the primary bathroom. So the first design element that I have to point out in here is this custom curved Taj Mahal vanity. So seamlessly done. It just feels smooth to the touch, and beautiful rounded LED mirrors just lift your eye up and just help you feel like you're going to start the day with all the magic that this home has to offer. Over here to the primary shower, you have two shower heads, the traditional shower head as well as the rainfall shower head, built-in seating, built-in shelf, and over here as well you have the detachable. The Zelig tile has that beautiful similar kind of neutral tones, but it gives that classic timeless look that only Zelig can give you. But if you're in the mood for a bath, you have a beautiful soaking tub right here ready to go, overlooking this outdoor window so you can have that light spilling over you. And when you're finished, then you have a towel warmer off to the side here, just for that ultimate comfort wherever you go. And now for the piece de resistance of this primary suite. Welcome to this stunning backyard. Along here you have a beautiful lap pool you could come and soak, enjoy with your friends, and I'll also point out this bougainvillea on the back here. These and all of the hedging around this backyard are going to mature beautifully to give you so much privacy while still giving you tons of access to the California blue skies. This landscaping is going to be stunning in just a few years. Imagine a beautiful wall of bougainvillea behind me just bursting with color. Alongside the pool, you also have a little soaking hot tub over here and plenty of space for your lounging next to this beautiful heritage olive tree. This just gives this home so much history. It feels like you're being swept up into another world. Another place where I would spend probably too much time is around this fire pit. It feels so old world, this volcanic rock built in, so much texture and personality. I also really love how they used the black lava rock to really enhance all of the other little black accents throughout the home. And remember that bar we talked about just off of the kitchen? This is where you would come and take a seat. You can easily put several bar stools up here, chat with the host of the kitchen, even if you were just serving lunch to your kids. This is such a fun place to sit and just enjoy the backyard and the home at the same time. With the immaculate design of this home, it's hard to imagine that anything could make it better. But like I said at the beginning, location. So once you have relaxed and soaked up all of the beauty of this living space, it's time to get dressed and go enjoy the best of Newport Beach. This neighborhood is known for its wide, quiet streets, mature landscaping, and of course, proximity to Newport Beach Country Club, Fashion Island, Corona Del Mar Village, and the gorgeous, sparkling Pacific Ocean. This area just embodies the best of Orange County coastal life. Well, we just had an absolutely exquisite afternoon enjoying Fashion Island with everything from luxury to everyday shops, as well as the one-of-a-kind Balboa Island. Thanks, Luxury Home Show, and thank you for watching all the way to the end. We hope you enjoyed this episode. And if you enjoyed this episode, you're definitely going to love the next one. But before you click, please enjoy this Pacific Coast sunset.
Hey Luxury Home Show, I'm your host Ariana, and today we're exploring a beautiful brand new architectural build right here in the prestigious Pacific Palisades Riviera. This is a house you have to see to believe. Let's start outside.